Olá, pessoal, tudo bem? Hello, everybody. How are you doing? I'm Jane from Brazil. Welcome to Portugueasy. In this video, we're going to make sure you're pronouncing certain words correctly. Okay, let's start this nasal sound training. And we're going to start with the pão de queijo word, right? So we're going to practice first the non-nasal syllable, PA, and after the nasal one, PA. First thing you should notice is the sound na, the non-nasal one, NA, is open, is pa, pa, and mouth goes downwards, pa, pa, pa. Now the nasal one, it's very different. The air goes a little bit upwards and the mouth is not very open. So it's pan, 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 pa, pan, pa, pan, pa, pan, pa, pan. Just imagine that the air is going upwards. That's enough to make the nasal sound. If you put too much pressure, it's going to be too nasal. It's going to be pah, and that's not natural. It sounds very weird, actually. So, pa, 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 pa. Now we're going to practice with the name Paulo, the non-nasal PA, and the nasal one still bread, pão. So, Paulo, Paulo, like the name of the city, São Paulo. Paulo, Paulo, Paulo. Pão, pão, pão. Can you see the difference? Paulo, Paulo, pão, pão, Paulo, pão, Paulo, pão, pá, pão, pá, pão, Paulo, pão. Okay? We're going to practice now the word for the name of the city, São Paulo. So the nasal São, it's also they are, the verb to be. They are, eles são. And also the name of the city, São Paulo. So same thing, non-nasal SA and after the nasal one. So non-nasal, sa, 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 sa. The nasal one, san, 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 sa, san, sa, san. Let's do the practice with the word sal, that means salt, and são. Sal, 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 sal is the same movement. Sal and são, são, são. Sal, são, sal, são, sal, são, são, sal, são, são. Let's practice now with the word não, but first the non-nasal NA and after the nasal NA. So non-nasal, na, 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 na. There, na. Na. Nasal one, n. 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 Na. N. Na. N. Na. N. Let's practice now with the words nada, that means nothing, and não, that means no. Nada, nada, nada. Não, não, não. Nada, não, nada, não, nada, não. Na, não, na, não. Nada, não, nada, não. Okay, remember to practice in front of the mirror. Subscribe to Portugueasy YouTube channel for more. And see you in the next video. Take care. Tchau, tchau.